I'm Florence and I want to show you Personal Walking Tour, the travel guide that will change the way you get to know your destinations. Personal Walking Tour is an application for cell phones or tablets with a complete audio guide of the best destinations in the world. The guide shows you everything that a city has to offer and tells you its history, curiosities, and tips about each place in very informative and fun to listen audios. Developed by travelers, the application has different alternatives to explore or tour a city. Its entire design is designed so that you can locate yourself through maps, organize your day with proposed circuits, or search for places by category. And of course, most importantly, learn more about each place by listening to the history, legends and curious facts about what you are watching. You can too download the application and turn your trip into a different experience. Personal Walking Tour. Discovering the destination.
Created using Powtoon.